Okay, challenges them of course sichangu kubeera taata at the same time. Kubeera nga buli kimu kirina kuvanga gwe you always want to provide.
Why is that?
Yeah, man. Tetwagala kumanya. Babeera eyo naawe nga we mumanyi bangi abeesirwa zangu oyo. Jendi yota ni bulungi
gwomu ku bantu abatandika mu competitions that was Coca-Cola and olwaliro bali performinga ku za Voice Africa kitegeeza ki bakotesa tebasibira ntanda ki okuba omuntu aveno wansi n'atuuka nga ne bano buli bali bageze ne Nigeria
nzemba entanda gye mbasibira tebakopperera olina creating an artwork we're going creativity matters. It's not just wanting to be like someone. $12 years.
12 years. Yes, kulaba enaku zino love buli kimu ekiteekayo omwana.
Okay.
Nebiri baliwema ku Facebook byonna ne bivaawo.
Before we can start the dance party.
Okuyomba nakoowa era omanyi omuntu oyomba n'okoowa. Nange ndi muntu ntuuka n'okoowa nga boddamu tebawulira so ekyokuyomba kyo nakikoowa mposi ekirala ky'ombuzza. Okay, challenges them of course sichangu okubeera taata at the same time. Kubeera nga buli kimu kirina kuvanga gwe you always want to provide. Sichangu, but it's not for the weak. So that means I'm stronger. Kitegeera. So tekikyantiisa nnyo nakimanyiira. I face life like a man. So kintambulira bulungi ate ne Katonda annyambako. Yeah, man. Tetwagala kumanya. Babeera eyo naawe nga we mumanyi bangi abeesirwa zangu oyo kati nze omu kuba like I don't give a damn. Esaagala na kumanya gyayi ffenna tetwagala tewali ayagala kumanya kasa ffenna gye tuli balamu. Yankubirako essimu n'abiŋŋamba naye omuntu simumanyi era naawe kyo nja okugamba omuntu simumanyi. Abantu babeerayo nga balina drama waabwe gwe baagala otambuza nga baagala kuwalampira ku muntu. Yeah, so maybe that was the case. Maybe oli gwe simanyi kubanga omuntu gw'otamanyi agamba ati amba oyo mukazi wange. Ekitegeera.
Between you and Cousin Black?
We are friends. Yes. We've always been friends and we'll always be friends.
Well, even before that video,
video. Of course, abantu bakiremerako ne wembabulira nziramu tebawulira naye ng'oli mukwano gwange bambi. Ebirimu. Nga tulinga abali mulavu bati ndowooza twera twali ffembi ng'abantu abalala babeera bonna tewali vidiyo bwetyo nze na Joseph Bani nga tuli mulavu eriyo mpozi gamba twali happy bwe tubeera happy era we are always happy around each other. He's good vibes and I'm good vibes, so that's the energy. We are grown ups. Your mind, aina jagwa. There's nothing really, Bambi. Mwagala nnyo bannange mbeere ne bba wange naye nkyateekateeka oba mugira mumunfunira
tufunireyo.
Kubanga ndaba muntu ala speed.
Tukuwaisibawo access.
No, mumpunire ansaana.
Isimana kusaana.
Ebyo bisitole byammwe era nga we mmanyi. Sigamba mutasobola naye tali. Tali bannaayo tubeere bantu bakulu. Oyo omuntu gwendaba ng'agenda ne mu gym n'abikula ne ku lubuto bw'ati. Ati baawulira tebakyankola binyiiza. Neera omuntu wakiddiramu. Abantu bayiga era nga wonaakuba omwana omugaato kiddamu.
Wali okuba baana bo. Kale Winnie baby. Happy birthday to the little girl.
Happy belated birthday.
Katusaba abadde bakwesibako ku vidiyo bakome.
Abambi banneesonyiwe. Nsalo ki?
Wakati wa Shiba ne Winnie Nwagi. Wakati wa Shiba ne Spice Dada. Wamenako mukwano.
Bombi ba artist bannange. Naye nze wembeera ewaka simusooka n'enjijjako data ne mujjako kubanga manne emirimu egy'okukola. Kati ebyo sibimanya mbiwulira buwulizi kati sibuuza nnyo details naye nga mbiwulira. Naye mbadde nsaba olema ebitambimbuuza. Kandabe ansooke nkole ku kya music. Ansooke collecting a music.
Winnie, don't tell people I'm your boyfriend.
Hello.
Hello.
The name?
My name is James Tumsime, and I work as the country director of Richer Hand Uganda.
Richer Hand happens to be the organizer of Icon Awards.
Yes, please.
Okay, what's the concept? Where did the concept come from? And why at this time?
Yeah, so for Richer Hand Uganda, one, young people is our business. Two, innovation is our business. So the Icon Awards is an effort to recognize young talent in the country, especially young people that are making a difference in the film industry, making a difference, trying to communicate in a manner that empowers young people, trying to create a difference in the mindset of young people, to encourage positive living, to encourage efficiency in the way young people manage their resources. We are trying to look at the key barriers, the key things we need to change about young people, and we are looking at those films where these messages are packaged and we are recognizing. So we are looking at film for a purpose, film to drive social change in Uganda. And for social change for young people, that is Richer Hand Uganda's business.
What was the criteria? Because if you give me all that, someone will be like, do you mind about the script writing, the picture, quality?
Yeah, that's not necessarily my area of expertise, but I know for a fact that we have looked at a wide range of areas and we have worked with professionals in this area. It is not an issue of I feel like or I see. No. Professionals have been put to task. They have watched, they have reviewed content, and people have been nominated. And out of those, 25 people with outstanding pieces in their respective areas of work in the film industry are the ones that have been singled out. Those that have not been singled out are not necessarily not good, but for now, I think the 25 are outstanding, and we need to use these Icon Awards as a stepping stone to even grow this. The film industry in Uganda is so big. How can we harness it to drive development in our country? How can we harness it to drive good health for young people, social change, etc. Yeah.
Okay. Do you mean you're telling us the categories? Because we say 25 people. Are they the categories?
Yes, they are.
Okay. We have Ramsey Nuwa tonight.
Yeah.
We saw him moving, went to Bishop, Cipriano. He moved around the areas of Kampala and some suburbs. What was the intention of bringing Ramsey Nuwa?
So one, we as Richer Hand Uganda are very, very happy to have the person of the caliber of Ramsey Nuwa accepting to come to us. Ramsey Nuwa has come to create an inspiration for our young movie industry, our young people. That's how you saw him in Bishop's Piano. Him and his production team have been here training our young movie makers. Rahul has young movie makers that we've been training for the last 6 months, and Ramze Noah and his production team have put in a whole week at their cost to support and make sure that the skill set is transferred to young people to build a better interlinked film industry for Uganda and Nigeria and the rest of Africa. Yeah.
Just a month, if not weeks back, I was at the launch of other short films, and then last week but one, we were at a launch of a movie with people with disability that have not been given any opportunity here in Uganda. As Reach a Hand, where are you heading with the movie industry? If we see the youth doing short movies and you tapping in an audience that has been abandoned.
Yeah, so for Reach a Hand Uganda, film is one of the so many means of communication that we are doing. For Reach a Hand Uganda, as an NGO, there are many things that we are working along. For example, the issue of inclusion. You know, currently we have the UN saying, leave no one behind. We are trying to make sure that we fulfill that. We are looking at the groups of people that, one, can also benefit from the content that is available, and those that are missing in this content that is available. When you're looking at young people consume film, and from film they learn a lot. It impacts their behavior. Young people with disability are no different. They just need to have a package that is for them, a package that makes them feel worthy, their esteem is built, and they're able to also learn from it, absorb and live better lives, be accepted. You know, for young people with disabilities, it's very unique. If they are confident, if they accept themselves, their families learn how to treat them, the community learns how to treat them better, they are capable as everyone else. We have to use film, we have to use every other form of communication to bring this out. So this is just an effort that is beginning, and we are hoping it will grow and become bigger, with partners like you, of course.
Yeah. Enjoy your night.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy your night, madam.
Thank you.